right? It's scary. You know, you see all these people that maybe you've been following on Twitter, or maybe you've been to other conferences and you've seen them speak and you're like, I'd love to do that, but I've actually got nothing to say, right? What have I got that's new? Everyone said everything that needs to be said. But I think that's not true. I think everyone has a different perspective and a different angle, and people want to hear your story. So, you know, I think it's like being able to take that first step and think, I can share, you know. I don't have to reinvent the wheel, but I can share an experience that somebody might find useful. And to look for help. I think that's important, that you get mentoring and support. Obviously, Speakeasy is a wonderful initiative where you can actually get a mentor and you can get safe spots.
Read what people are looking for, see what's interesting, see if you've got something different maybe, something that fits but is slightly different from what other people are talking about. Also, if you have an idea, actually Agile Testing Days is really good at taking those ideas, so even before the call for papers last year, I submitted a proposal to the organisers, and they actually came back to me and said that they liked the idea and wanted to run for it, which is why I'm speaking this year.
First, to think about something you may share, any experience or knowledge you have, and then the most important thing is to accept the challenge.
Don't worry that much. You have a story to tell, you have something to talk about that people want to hear, but also get feedback. Get as much feedback as you can on your abstract, on your slides, on your talk, on everything. Just ask friends, family, co-workers, go to meetups, get feedback a lot.
What I've found, I teach sketchnoting a lot, like making visual summaries of talks, and one of the things that I teach as a heuristic is share before you think you're ready. And that to me is a key aspect. We learn a lot of new things, and somehow our brain tricks us. The moment we haven't learned anything, it's really, how could I ever possibly do that? And the moment you've done it, it's like, well, everyone can. And I think learning to recognize that pattern in yourself allows you to recognize what it is that is so unique to you that you can share. What you have just learned is something that is immensely valuable and immensely useful to a lot of people who are struggling with the same things you are. So share your story, share before you think perhaps you are ready to stand on that stage, because you are, and we'd love to learn from you.